So a while back, we tinted the factory marker lights on our 2018 Mustang GT. And while the tint looks really good, the factory single light bulb output is absolutely terrible. So today we remove our factory marker lights and upgrade them to a new set from Diode Dynamics. The Diode Dynamic LED marker lights have been a very popular upgrade for the S550 since they came out a few years back. Now, they're available in the smoked, the clear, or the red. We have done installation videos in the past, but Diode now has a new generation of lights to make the installation even easier. The lights will now be plug and play. So previously, you had to remove the plug from the factory setup and transfer it over. Now literally you pull out the factory one and replace it with the complete assembly from Diode Dynamics. The installation of the Diode Dynamics marker lights is actually very simple. You can do it on the ground. We have it up in the air so you can see what you're doing, but literally all you have to do is kind of reach up behind here. There's a clip for the light. You push on it and pop it right out. Once you pop it out, just kind of pull it forward and then unplug the harness. Now we're going to plug it in. This clip goes under here. Push it back. Lock it in place and then repeat the process on the other side. The Diode marker lights are a great upgrade for every S550 Mustang, and now they install even easier before. This will take you no more than a few minutes. Be back on the road in no time.